You are watching EnergyNewsTV.com, your home for fresh energy news delivered daily. This is the early petroleum market report for December 19, 2024. WTI crude oil futures fell below $70 per barrel on Thursday, reversing gains from the previous session, as the strength of the US dollar pressured the dollar-denominated commodity. The US dollar surged to an over two-year high after Fed officials cut borrowing costs as expected but signaled fewer rate cuts next year. This slower easing approach also raised concerns about potential impacts on fuel demand. Meanwhile, oil found some support after Energy Information Administration weekly storage data showed that U.S. crude oil stocks fell by nearly 1 million barrels in the second week of December, extending the 1.4 million barrel draw from the previous week. From the geopolitical perspective, Kazakhstan plans to comply with OPEC's extended oil cuts next year, reversing earlier plans to raise output to 190,000 barrels per day, joining the UAE in supporting the extension. Still, expectations of ample output from non-OPEC members, including the US, Canada, and Brazil, dampen optimism. In the natural gas market, U.S. natural gas futures rose to nearly $3.50 per million British thermal units on Thursday, approaching the one-year high of $3.55 tested during the first half of December, as bets of stronger global LNG demand magnified robust domestic consumption. Uncertainty on whether Europe will continue to receive Russian gas flows through Ukraine drove investors to take long LNG positions as European Union members search for alternative gas sources. This raises demand for U.S. LNG at the turn of the U.S. presidency. In the meantime, new data from the EIA showed that domestic natural gas consumption is set to break a new record in 2024, largely due to higher demand from the electric power sector. Today, market players are awaiting the weekly natural gas storage data from the EIA. Market estimates are for a storage withdrawal ranging from as little as 115 BCF to as much as 148 BCF. Energy News TV is forecasting a 133 BCF withdrawal for the reflective storage week. Today's storage data will compare to a 45 BCF draw during the same week last year, while the 5-year average is a 31 BCF draw. Thank you for watching Energy News TV, your home for fresh energy news delivered daily. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our page. Stay tuned for more fresh energy news.